In this video, we will take a look how to create an upload field so that your customers can upload a file to a respective product. So in my case, you can see there is no field showing at the moment. So we go back to our X dashboard and we can click Create Field. Here on the right side, you can see the product options and you will click Next. Now the Create page will open up and we can get started by entering a unique field name. In my case, I will just call it Upload. In the Select Your Options section, we can see here that there is the Upload button. We can click on that, and on the right side, you will see that the Upload field will be created. You can now click the Edit pencil to define the individual settings, like what kind of height types you want to have uploaded, and you also have different kind of options to make it required or to charge an upcharge for that particular upload. Just for your information, if you want to have more advanced use cases, you can use our app Uploadify Upload, which is a tailored solution just for uploading files. There you will also have opportunities to say you want to specify more file types, you can define the upload size, you can allow cropping. This is pretty much the advanced option of this one. But if you find it basic, you can also use that one. We can close it again, can say they want to show it for our sample product, Textbox t-shirt. We'll click Select, I will click Save. Now the field is being created, we can see it here, and we can go back to the product page and can see here that we can get started by uploading files.